You have heard the word of God, and I'm sure the Lord has already touched you and you have understood something where you are in your life. I, however, would like to draw your attention to the first reading, which says you must keep God first in your life. And keeping Him first in your life means you must keep Him first in that place externally and internally. Write that you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul, with all your strength, everywhere. And put it in the little packet here. Keep it at the center of your eyes so that you don't move from this. How can we do that? It is only possible with the grace of God to move from the ordinary and to transcend into the spiritual realm. This is not possible with us, but He gives us the grace.